This is Total Television at the Broadband World Forum in Paris, where I'm talking to Corrado Rocca of HGI. Now, Corrado, everybody's getting very excited about broadband and all these new capacities, but it's absolutely critical is the home gateway.
Correct, Brian. I think that it is now recognized the fact that the home gateway is playing an important role in the home to enable digital services, and beyond what we have been doing up to now, which is, let's say, I would say the traditional broadband services for data, communication of voice and IPTV. Now we are exploring new areas to actually enable another bunch of services and to collect also other industries to be groomed inside what we are doing.
So you're covering a much wider area, and I think you have a quite significant test event coming up as well.
Yes, this has been already established since a couple of years now. It started actually with the lower layers, including QoS and the actual functionality of the gateways, but now we are expanding because we have introduced what we call SWEX, a software execution environment, which is actually an environment enabling the possibility to host new services through the gateway. And the test event is actually a very important event that we're going to have by year end, where we will have a lot of industry players confirming that this is actually a reality and not just which is on a specification only.
Yes, it must be becoming increasingly challenging as people are looking to bring more and more services and more variation into the home.
Correct. I think we have a great opportunity because the gateway is an always-on device. It is there because broadband connections are increasing. So basically a lot of other, I would say, industries will enjoy the possibility to cooperate through the gateway, which is acting as an enabler because I mean appliances, I mean about IP cameras, e-health. There are a lot of possibilities which are actually enabled by the gateways, and we are specifying the technologies in order to have, let's say, a ruled world approach around it.
Is this where you see the future challenges for HGI?
Yes, that's definitely a part of challenges from one side, from the technological perspective, because we need to write the right specification to enable the quality of service, the management of these services. From the other side, I would like to mention that we cooperate with important forums, because we don't want, of course, to reinvent the wheel around this. So we want to leverage on other forums activity, just like DLNA, HGI Alliance and others, where basically with this cooperation we are enabling these services thanks maybe to other specifications which are then interpreted and managed by the gateway.
So it sounds like you're busier than ever.
Correct. Every time we meet we are busy, and that's a good news for us, and I will hope for the industry as well.
Okay, well, thanks for talking to us at Total Television.
Thanks a lot, Brian. It was a pleasure.